We're just finishing a $400 million investment to make sure we have tyres available all the time for our distributors. I'm Mark Turner. I'm the European Sales Director for ZC Rubber in the agricultural and forestry product sector. We're at Lama this week supporting our GB distributor, ADR, and British Rubber. A great partnership that came together last year with the takeover of British Rubber. ZC Rubber is the 9th biggest tyre company in the world. We have a raft of very famous brands within the industry: Tian Lee, Westlake, Goodride, and we also have a very proud partnership with Arsenal Football Club. ZC Rubber with the Tian Lee brand has seen a big investment in our manufacturing capacity and our engineering capabilities. We're just finishing a $400 million investment in our factory in Tianjin. This will give us more flexibility in our product production to make sure we have tyres available all the time for our distributors.